You know the dead silence of a massive, heavy digital archive dragging your creative momentum to an absolute halt. Staring at a frozen screen while gigabytes of data bottleneck through an extraction process that never seems to move. That is, until the stagnation suddenly and completely fractures. A 100-megabyte asset materializes before your drive even registers the read command. High-density geometry and flawless textures lock into place instantly. The era of the extraction tax is finally over. But one model is only the surface of the crisis. You are drowning in a sea of scattered folders and isolated archives piled across failing drives. Identical clones of the same geometry are buried everywhere, supported, unsupported, and revised variants each stealing their own slice of memory. This invisible rot quietly consumes your storage until the hardware finally hits a breaking point. When the old file structure collapses under its own weight, a cold blue efficiency takes its place. A 400-gigabyte library is instantly hollowed out, leaving only a hyper-dense core of pure assets. From this core, even massive, complex structures appear without a single stutter. Every geometry locks into place in under 700 milliseconds. By pulling only the essential geometry, the system renders faster than the hardware can even spin up to find the files. End the extraction chaos. Demand instant rendering. Reclaim your library. Your collection becomes a pristine, indestructible digital armory, powered by an architecture that leaves mechanical limits in the dark. This is Neurochrome Vault. Join the early adopter batch on Gumroad.